Thinking of starting a copper-based business? Welcome back to Entrepreneur India, your go-to for smart business ideas. Today, we're diving into copper, the metal powering the future, from EVs and clean energy to infrastructure and electronics. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this one's for you. Let's start with copper wires, the backbone of power grids, EV charging stations, and smart infrastructure. The market is booming, from $188 billion today to $378 billion by 2032, growing at 6.5% CAGR. India alone is seeing 7% annual growth thanks to metro expansion and electrification. Yes, there are challenges, price swings and grey market issues, but recycling and smart grid tech make this a profitable space. Next up, copper tubes, critical for HVAC, plumbing, and EV batteries. The global market is projected to double, reaching $71 billion by 2032. India's segment alone is hitting $2.4 billion by 2030. And with smart cities on the rise, demand will only go up. Recycling and IoT integration offer bonus business opportunities. Now, let's talk copper sheets used in solar panels, electronics, 5G infrastructure, and even architecture. Expect a $422 billion global market by 2033, growing at nearly 7% CAGR. India's smart city initiatives and green energy push are driving local demand. Think recycled copper and green buildings. This space is full of potential. Copper rods are everywhere, from construction to renewable energy and EV motors. The global rod market mirrors the wire segment, set to hit $378 billion by 2032. India is growing at 6.3% CAGR, fueled by programs like the Smart City Mission. Opportunities lie in recycling and local processing to reduce import dependency. Looking for something niche? Copper powder is your pick. Used in 3D printing, EV batteries, electronics, and even antimicrobial coatings. The market's growing steadily, reaching $1.1 billion globally by 2032. In India, demand is rising with innovations in additive manufacturing and solar tech. If you're targeting high-tech, this is your niche. Finally, let's talk about copper ingots, the foundation for manufacturing rods, wires, and sheets that power industries across the globe. Copper ingots are crucial in electronics manufacturing, alloy production for heavy machinery, and the expanding world of green energy systems like wind and solar. In India, demand is projected to reach an impressive 10.3 lakh tons by 2030, growing steadily at a 6.6% CAGR. As industries push for cleaner technologies and higher efficiencies, there's massive opportunity in local refining, ethical sourcing, and R&D for new copper alloys that meet next-gen standards. Entrepreneur, investing in sustainable copper processing today could mean leading the market tomorrow. On the global stage, the Asia-Pacific region leads the charge, commanding over 60% of the total copper market, driven primarily by China's manufacturing dominance and India's urban and industrial boom. Meanwhile, North America and Europe are intensifying their demand, fueled by massive investments in electric vehicles, renewable energy projects, and sustainability regulations like the European Green Deal. India stands out as a rising copper hotspot, with major pushes into infrastructure upgrades, renewable energy targets, metro rail expansions, and urban development initiatives like the Smart Cities Mission. As supply chains shift and global players seek local suppliers, India's role is only set to grow stronger. Copper isn't just a metal. It's the future of infrastructure, energy, and innovation. Whether it's wires, rods, sheets, or powder, the opportunities are massive. Ready to dive in? Reach out to us or Niir Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, for end-to-end support. Like, share, and subscribe for more sharp business insights. This is Entrepreneur India. See you in the next video.